Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Riches here. This is similar puzzle which I showed yesterday. Two bishops and black will queen. So I just want to say that a good chess player, he will always look for opportunities. Yeah, most of you, and including me, not in this position, but in similar cases will resign, but a good chess player will always try to, look for some idea on um, how to save the game. So the problem here for white is that they cannot really stop this pawn from queening. So if you move the king in order to play bishop c6, then black just queens. White starts with bishop to c5. They want to ask black a question, what will you do? So the obvious move is to take the pawn. But if you take it, then I have this important tempo. Bishop to b3, king f6, and bishop to d5, stopping this pawn from queening, and it's a draw. White might be a little bit better. So taking is not an option. So if you play king to f6, then it's e7, and after h1 queen, then white can play king to b6, and this is a drawn position because black cannot, give so many checks that will stop this pawn from queen. Actually, black again might be better a little bit. After this is an easy draw by exchanging the queens. But in this position, white gets a draw by just hiding from these checks. So somehow black has to play differently. So if they play king e8, then king to c7 is surprisingly a checkmate, yeah, given that this pawn is taken by this bishop, this pawn controls f7, and this bishop gives checkmate. So king to d8. And in this position, this is the move of the game, basically. White plays e7. So another check. Black is not in time to queen. They cannot take with the king, and they cannot go, for instance, king to c8 because of this mates, or king to e8 because this again white wins with promotion, this check, and stops. So they have to capture the pawn, and in this position white plays like excellent move, brilliant, king to b7. So they leave this bishop and they leave king on b7, so black can actually give promote with check. So they play this promotion move, obviously bishop to c6, and it appears that there is only one check. Like there are two checks, taken is out of the question, but if we play bishop to queen to b1, then this is a forced check by bishop, and the only, I mean, it's a check and king has nowhere to go. Yeah, all these squares are taken, so black can save themselves only by giving up the queen. So very, very nice etude, and thank you for watching, and see you next time.